Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we're going to go over what our project looks like and what you can expect when we do a project for you. What we need to do is we need to set up. So first thing we're going to do is we have a utility trailer. It's about 14 feet long. Here it is right here. We're going to have to park this in your driveway, preferably, if not in the street, and this is going to stay on site for the duration of the project. Okay, so that's number one. We're going to need that. Then we're going to need, if you have a garage, we're going to need the stage in the garage. So as you can see behind me, we're going to put down a tarp. We're going to protect things as best as possible. That way we can have an area to mix thin set, all that stuff, make cuts if we need to, and so on. So that's number two. Now we're going to show you inside what we need to do inside. So inside we got some drops down here. It's going to stay on the path the whole way, all the way to the area that we're working on. We're going to have drops down, a rainbow or something to protect the floor. And the closer we can do cuts to the tile project we're working on, the more efficient it's going to be. So we're going to be able to get things done a lot quicker for you and get out of your space. So on this project, as you can see, we're able to set up in this room. So we got rainbow down the floor and we got a tarp. And we put plastic back here to protect any water that sprays from the soil. This soil contains the water very well, but you do get some residual around on the back side. So we're going to cut inside your house. We're definitely going to protect things as good as we possibly can. But like I said, if we just cut inside the house closer to the area we're working on, we're going to be a lot more efficient for you and your project. So as you can see, we go all the way down around here. Working on 2 bathrooms on this job. Here's bathroom number 1 over here. Then we're doing another bathroom right over here. Walk-in shower. So that's what it's going to look like, and that's what you can expect from us when you hire us. Now, given some people out there, they want us to cut in the house, and that's fine. We just need to know that before we start your project, that we can set up a tent outside, or if you have a garage, we can set up everything inside and we can make it work for any situation at all. Say if you live in a condo, nowhere to set up inside, or even if you have no garage outside, well then we got to know that, and we just got to be all on the same page. That way we can help you as best as possible and still be efficient on your project. So if you do have any questions, please feel free, give me a call or message. Donnie D here from Donnie D's Tile&Remodeling. I'm the owner and installer as of right now of the company. So we're more than happy to help in any way, shape, or form that we can. Other than that, thanks for tuning into the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Have a nice day.